In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your Telegram account from people who already have your phone number. Due to privacy concerns, wanting to maintain separate personal and professional networks, or simply preferring to keep certain aspects of their online presence private, are some reasons why anyone would want to hide their Telegram account. To do this, simply head into your Telegram. On your settings page, head into your privacy and security. Scroll down to the very end and select this option of data settings. Make sure to first disable this option. Then proceed by also deleting your synced contacts right here. Whenever this option is off and you have also deleted your previously synced contacts, you won't find a count in your contacts list on Telegram. The same applies to them. They won't find your Telegram account. Whenever they search for your Telegram account, it will show no user found. To share your Telegram account to a few, just get back and select the option of phone number. Tap on this link and send it to them so that they can send you a message on Telegram via the sent link. That's how easy it is to hide your Telegram account from your contacts list or anyone out there. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.